In this episode, we're going to be reviewing the mrodair Airmax Varmint PCP rifle. The rifle is available in both 22 and 177 calibers. Today, we will be reviewing the 22. The rifle is very lightweight, coming in at just over 6 pounds. It is available in a single shot or a multi-shot. The multi-shot also includes the single shot tray. Extra magazines are available separately. The stock is a nicely finished Beechwood stock with a high quality engraved checkering. Open sights are included and adjustable for both windage and elevation. The Varmint Air is equipped with a factory moderator, however the gun is still very loud. Not what I would consider backyard friendly. There are, however, aftermarket moderators available for this gun, which really do help dampen the report of the shot. The gun's trigger is all metal. It is very smooth at just under 3 pounds of pull and with no gritty feel to it. The caliber we tested achieved a velocity of 850 feet per second, shooting a 16 grain pellet, producing just over 25 foot-pounds of energy. Plenty for small game. The top rail is dovetail and slightly shorter than what I would have liked to have seen. Keep this in mind when selecting a scope. You may need an offset mount for optics with a magnification of 16 power or greater. The gun can be filled to 3000 psi. However, our testing resulted in a fill of about 2700 psi, producing almost 30 shots before we saw a definitive drop in the point of impact. The safety is a push button type in front of the trigger, similar to those found on the Air Arms line of air guns.
Hey everyone, I'm down here at the my buddy's property, going to be shooting the Varmint Airmax in 22 caliber. Chair gun says set the target up down there at 43 yards. That's what I'm going to do. Mike says to shoot the JSB 1589s. They are the best pellet for this. I got the gun charged up to the recommended pressure of 200 bar, which is just under 3000 psi. That's what we're going to start with. We're going to shoot 10 shots, see if we can put some groups together, see what this looks like. Well everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was really fun to make. I enjoy shooting air rifles, particularly accurate ones. The ones that aren't accurate, man, they're no fun. They're just a frustration. I don't need frustration, and I'm sure you don't either. So definitely Airmax is the way to go. Varmint Airmax by mrodair. It's a good choice of gun. What I would recommend, 1589 pellets. Again, that's what I recommend. I appreciate you guys watching. So until the next video, shoot safe, have fun.